This Nashville hot chicken is spicy enough to make your taste buds dance and cry at the same time. 4 chicken thighs and 4 drumsticks, 2 cups buttermilk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, oil for frying. Hot oil mix. Half cup frying oil, 3 tablespoons cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon paprika, pinch chili powder. Soak your chicken in buttermilk with a pinch of salt for at least 2 hours, or overnight for max juiciness. Mix flour, paprika, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Dredge the chicken until fully coated. For extra crunch, dip back in buttermilk, then coat again. Fry in hot oil at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown and fully cooked. Let it rest on a rack. Whisk cayenne pepper, brown sugar, paprika and chili powder into half cup of the hot frying oil. Brush generously over the chicken. Serve over white bread with pickles on top. That's real Nashville flavor. Crispy, spicy, unforgettable.